we've all had that thing where we eat it and we're like, nothing else compares, okay? And that's this cornbread. First thing we're gonna need to do is get all of our butter, about 8 tablespoons, into the cast iron skillet here. It bakes more evenly and we give the cornbread this amazing crust. We're gonna crack an egg into a small bowl here and add a cup of plain yogurt. Yogurt is gonna make it fluffier and the egg is gonna give it the structure to stand tall. We're adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. I'm putting the cayenne into the yogurt and egg mix so it becomes more evenly distributed. Now for the veggies. We'll start with the corn. Put it on its side and cut one cheek off at a time. I'm gonna stick it in the oven and get some color to enhance its flavor. Bell pepper. I'm gonna use a 1/4 of the red and a 1/4 of the yellow. I'm gonna roast these off a little bit. I'm just gonna stick them onto the tray with the corn. Half an onion to add a sweetness to the cornbread. Very aromatic and pleasant. Jalapeno. It's gonna add a richness and smokiness to the cornbread. There's very little heat without the seeds. Corn looks fantastic. A little bit of color for contrast. Peppers are fragrant. That's a clear indication that they're ready. Julienne, dice, and add it all to the mix. Cilantro. Grab your cilantro, bundle it up, nice and tight, and then shift knot. Don't chop it into oblivion. You'll lose its freshness and we'll be all bummed out. We're gonna go ahead and pour our Jiffy cornbread mix in there. Don't freak out, guys. It's cornbread and we need to maintain some sort of nostalgia. We're also gonna add in our 1/4 cup of flour for some body and springiness. Salt and fresh ground black pepper. Gonna mix that up a little bit before we add a 1/2 pound of finely grated Parmesan to the mix. If it's not finely grated, it'll never fully melt and fuse with the mix, and you'll be left with this gritty texture. It's just not ideal. Into the pan it goes. Flatten it down a bit. The butter should climb up the sides and spill over onto the top. Just gonna give it that just beautiful, crispy, buttery, just amazing, Get it in a 400-degree oven. Alexa, put a timer on for 40 minutes. Oh, you got that crispy crisp from the butter. It doesn't stop there, guys. This is not complete. You need to top this with a dollop of sour cream and a little more Parmesan. Oh.